This is for those that like to travel with guns and ammo, or just ammo, as it was in my case. I ordered these 2 boxes of Aguila 22 to a wrong address because I was buying that for myself, but they went to somewhere where I was not at the time. It still went to the people that were legal to own them, not a problem, but they didn't come to me. So then, a couple months later, I actually flew to that address of my relatives and decided, okay, how do I want to get this ammo home? Shipping them is expensive. These guys are not cheap to ship. They're heavy. Each of these is a 500 rounds of 22, which 22 of course is lighter weight than anything else, but still heavy. So I decided to put them in my luggage, check-in luggage, not carry-on, check-in. And went to the counter at United, which was the airline I was flying, and asked them, do I need to declare ammo? It's like, no, as long as you have that ammo securely packaged in the original manufacturer packaging, just take it and don't worry about anything. No, at least about this particular context. So I did, flew back, picked them up, no issue. There is no law that prevents you from flying ammo. I did not fly with any firearms at the time. Firearms you do have to declare, and you have to package them separately and put them in the checked-in luggage. You cannot put ammunition or guns in carry-on luggage, only checked in. Checked in back, checked in whatever. Flew in. Now I'm gonna take them to the range when the weather gets slightly better and enjoy it. As I found out, many of my American friends didn't know that this was the case, that you can fly ammo with no specific declaration requirements or restrictions. Again, check with your airline. Check their policies. They might be different. United was good about it, and the people knew about it. The employees at United, which is a big thanks to them. Not an issue. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody.